That's the first coat of filler set. Back out tonight for another go at it. So I'm just going to give it a quick sand down and another coat tonight. I have to use the hand sander because it is getting late and I don't want to use the power sander. Keep people awake tonight. So yep, sand it by hand, another coat of filler tonight. Probably sanding and filling for many nights to come just to get this as good as the other side. Yeah, still a little bit. Good shape's good, but yeah, a lot more smoothing to go.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. 'Cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, 'cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. 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 We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You're such a sensitive guy. When your friends are hurting, you make sure to stick around. But when it comes to me, you don't wanna know. Yeah, every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Help me the way I help you. Oh yeah, the way I help you. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Don't have to save me, just be my parachute. Yeah.
Well, after a few hours at night for maybe 2 or 3 nights this week, we're finally at this stage. There's been a few layers of filler, a few layers sanded back, and it's starting to build up nicely. So today I'm going to sand it smooth and put the paper templates back on and just mark out with pens where it needs to be a little bit higher, just to try and get the shape more symmetrical to the other side. I think it needs to be a little bit higher. This area needs to come out. I think same up here where this ridge is, this piece here needs to come out a little bit as well. Down here, this kind of area needs brought out as well. But yeah, all in all, it's going fine. I'll probably take the door off as well today, just to make it easier to get into some of these back edges up here. But all in all, happy. Just need to keep moving forward. So I've got about an hour or so today to play about with it, and probably see him again tomorrow, and then I'll be back to Monday again, back to work and spending some time at night again. Just keep going with it. Yeah, first things first, I think take the door off and then get the sander into it. That's me marked the lines where I need to sand down to. You can see I've got some extra filler there, a little bit of reshaping to do take this section off. It's coming out too far a little bit on the underside here. Yeah, again the kind of angle of this needs to be brought down. It's really handy having the paper templates. I can get it pretty exact. Let's me take some off this corner right along that line there. Some off this edge up here. Pretty easy to work with, so just a matter of sanding it back now, checking it again, and hopefully getting the lines a lot closer to the other side. Good fun. As you can see, the paper template's highlighted a few bits that weren't quite right for the beginning. I've obviously not caught the foam back in these certain areas far enough to let the filler, thickness of the filler, bring me up to the right line, so I've had to trim it right back, and we'll put another couple of coats of filler over that. This area here, it kind of bulged out quite a bit, but yeah, come along nicely. Starting to get the shapes that I'm looking for. I think that's for me for today though. I'll maybe try and get back out tonight to fill these up again. The bits where you can still see the X's here is the bits that I need to put more filler on, just to bring it out. Here and kind of this area there. So yeah, getting there. Front, I've not really touched the front yet today. Yeah, might do it tonight. Probably give it a quick sand tonight before I start filling, and I can get a bit more onto that. But yeah, time to go and enjoy the Scottish sunshine. Not often we get to see it.